we're gonna watch some awkward moments. Here, look. So this is by this channel. Here we go. We're gonna jump into this. This is Top Keck.
Hey, I don't think I can, I'm not gonna bake in this sweater.
We've seen this one, but
It's
this
my grandpa's sweater,
clip.
so.
You're wearing your grandpa's sweater?
Yes.
It's hot.
He's dead.
That has nothing to do with it, though.
Hi, excuse me? Do you guys have a lube?
Hi.
Lube.
I don't know what it is. My friend asked for lube. I don't know what. Yeah.
I have no idea.
Okay. Sorry. Thank you.
Does she seriously not know what it is? Oh god, that's not awkward. I mean, you gotta ask. You shouldn't feel awkward to ask about stuff like that, like condoms and stuff, guys. Okay, it's your God-given right or whatever to just. And if they like look at you, laugh at you, it's like, well, you know, at least I'm getting some. What's gonna happen? Can you get it off? Why is he so bold? Little baby.
Great memories.
Oh, that is awkward. Oh no. Why would you do that? That girl was horrible to him as well. Oh, poor girl, man. That's weird. That's just very weird, champ, right there. Extremely weird, champ.
Someone took a slice out of the pumpkin pie, but only the middle part. Anyone sus?
Oh no. Oh no.
Hang on, how's it awkward?
I'm like doing
It's not awkward for him. That maybe is an awkward video to watch.
something right now. Can I talk to him really quick? Just like Cube, give me the phone to him.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hey, Jeff, I'm just on the phone with my friends and I'm just joking around.
Well, you know, that one shirt you wear, you look like a queer. That one shirt, the little black shirt, you don't got tits, so why do you wear a shirt like that? Those guys don't wear shirts. The one cuts the top, you look like a gay guy, to be honest with me. You know, if you want to look like a gay guy, you should move out and move somewhere else, because I don't want to see that shit in my house. I really don't.
Whoa.
You know, a shirt like that, that's only tits wear, because you don't got no tits.
Jesus Christ. That's a yikes.
Hey man.
Hey, some people are stuck in their ways, you know. You can't change people. It's a shame.
Man. Hello? Speak English? What is that? That's an NPC?
It's not an NPC. That's not an NPC, is it? Oh, it is. It's the shop merchant.
Mistletoe, I see. Oh,
God.
I know what that's
man.
for.
Oh God.
I know
Oh
what that's
man.
for. Yeah, I know what that for. Okay. I thought I did, but I can't aim very well there. How's that? Is that good?
Oh God.
Whoop.
Get your dad away from the internet, man.
Good one. Oh, I have to turn my head. You're thinking
Does
silly
he?
boy.
Is he not knowing that his son's in the room with him?
Yeah, I washed my penis.
She was banned for accidentally exposing someone's email. She's been banned 3 times off Twitch.
In the sink, and then Stephanie will yell at me and be like, "You're getting your dick juices all over the place. I always have to clean up your dick juices all over the sink." I'm like, "Don't call it that. That's fucking disgusting. What the fuck is dick juice?" Yeah, that's what she calls it.
Will you actually wash your dick in the sink?
Yeah, every time.
What?
It's being hygienic.
Is it though? When you wash plates and cups and stuff.
I'm very big on smells.
And Catella, let me give you a little sneak peek of what it'd look like. It'd be like this, like, oh my God, you're subscribed. Thank you. Thank you.
Is he gonna fart? Someone walked in, didn't they? Someone walked in as he was doing that.
man, I feel his pain. I feel his pain. Dempsey, can you punch my bollocks? Hi, Mom. Oh no! Is that his kid? And it's oh god! Thank God he's not going to remember this.
Nothing! Nothing was happening. Get out of my room.
I have a good one. Ready?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so it's a guy, and his name is Joe. Do you know Joe? Do you know?
Do you know Joe?
No, do you know Joe?
No, I don't.
Joe Mama.
That's
He sent
it?
Yeah, Joe Mama.
Okay.
Oh god. The fact that a child isn't even laughing at that. Like, a child isn't even laughing. That goes to show that you're in the wrong territory here.
We're gonna start off with a big one, $9,999.
And 99 cents.
And 99 cents. We're about to give this random small streamer $10,000.
Come over here, Mr. Beast. Give me $10,000, please. I could use it for I could use it for the sex swing.
What does it say?
Joe.
Say no more.
Imagine getting $10,000 and they just say Joe. All right, here we go. The world's most expensive Yo Mama joke.
All right, we did it. We did it. It's about to happen.
I have some awesome viewers right now.
Oh wait, it popped up in the chat. Mr. Beast Gaming just tipped $9,999. He doesn't even have an overlay.
Streaming a rerun.
Wait. Oh, he's not even.
Oh
Oh no! Oh, what? Is he gonna refund that?
Been live, bro.
Yikes! That man just earned 10 grand in his sleep.
Why'd your clan tag Steph?
It's my ex-girlfriend.
Ooh.
Oh, yikes. Why would you have your clan tag as your girlfriend's name?
We used to just chant her name while we played video games, so it's a long story.
God.
Yeah.
What game is this, by the way?
Alright.
It's like if League of Legends was like an actual like third-person game. Smite.
Wrestling match. Back in the ring.
He would be, I don't know, he's got the look of a wrestler, doesn't he, this guy? The old school wrestlers.
Iron Nathrius shall return.
Excuse to touch me.
Yikes.
No. That'd be weird.
They'll just kill us on sight, just like that?
Yeah, just like that. They're gonna take off your hazmat and they're gonna KOS you. They're gonna kiss you on sight. Like in the mouth.
In the mouth. Not on the mouth. In the mouth.
I mean, I don't have a problem with that.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Wanna do it right now? There you go. I kissed you on sight.
Listen, man, no one can ever know about this, okay?
Hey, man, that's just bros being
no,
bros.
No one can know about this.
Yeah, no, I won't tell anyone. My mouth is zipped shut.
It's because I kissed it, dude. That's why it's zipped shut.
Yo, you get free dildos from Adam and Leaf.
Oh, God.
And you just send boxes and boxes and boxes.
You gotta love chat. There's nothing to hate about this man. This man is just Jesus.
Yeah.
Do you give them away?
Oh my goodness.
I'm asking for a friend.
That's freaking, remember like the old Nintendo games? Like Perfect Dark or GoldenEye. And you could have like big head mode engaged.
Yeah, no, it's probably illegal. If I was just going to send them through postage, they'd probably get stopped as like a biological warfare attack or something. But like, I could definitely give them to friends, and I've done that before. Why?
This is this is an extremely unique. It's a shame she got banned. I think she might be coming back. It's so like maybe this is the future of like when mocap suits are like purchasable, like affordable.
Yeah.
Maybe she's like the pioneer of this kind of VTuber.
Mission needs him.
No, not even technician. Just a friend.
A
friend of a technician, you know.
A good pal. Yeah, I feel that.
Yes, she's a very good pal towards his friend.
The threat on long. Then this one could have gone the way of Vitality, but for now it's the 5-0 start. Astralis on fire.
Wait, what?
Okay. I guess that's a celebration.
What was
that's
that?
A Danish thing, maybe.
We got any Danes in the
Have
chat?
you ever tasted your own milk?
No, that's disgusting. I've never done that. There's one time though it went really close, where I was kind of like on my back and you know,
Mario Kart is BS,
businessing it,
competitive,
and then
fun smile.
you know, but dude,
Hey,
didn't taste it.
I'm currently failing all my classes, but it.
The thing about XQC is that he's just him. There's no filter. He just is himself. He doesn't care what people think. And that's something to admire, but it's also something like, this guy just has no filter.
BC, I'm watching the gaming warlord. Love you and chat.
Who the hell is this
Guys,
down
there's
here?
power in my hose, man. Guys, there's intensity in the point.
Is that meant to be
Sometimes
XQC?
It kind of, you know,
That's
it
hilarious.
goes far, man. So sometimes, you know, if you're on your back and you're laying down,
XQCL.
you know, it can, you know, kind of
That's a prostate thing.
Snipe.
I think. Snipe.
And let's just
Oh
say
my
that
god.
if I was playing one of those FPS, it would have been a headshot. But it wasn't a bullseye. So we're good.
My god.
Hey, Kami. Alright. Oh, let me send you the... I need to send you the shopping list or someone. Hey, Chris.
I'm having to literally hold up
Let
my...
me tighten these because when I walk, my legs become so skinny. So they like fall off.
Dude, does she not?
What is that man doing that thousands of men at home aren't doing in the privacy of their own home? He's a pervert because he actually did it in person. Oh, he's a pervert. He's there, like, loads of people were there looking at her boobs going, yeah, what a pervert. That guy was such a... Oof.
I'm just gonna start wearing butt plugs daily or something. I don't know. Maybe he can keep his dick in there for a couple minutes so it gets wider or something. I don't know. I'm out of ideas. Like, dude.
That is true. If your parents came across like most of these thirsty girls on like TikTok or Instagram, what would they think of them? Would they think any more lowly of them, or would they still love them the same? Like, would they still do it if they knew their parents were watching? So there you go. That was the video.
What?
Come on, Big Lip.